You know, this is the time of year when, if you're anything like me, you start thinking about meals that'll help bring your family around the table. You want something that's exciting, yet not too over the top. Well, the dish we're making today fits that bill. Plus, it's super weeknight friendly since it comes together in no time. If you're ready, I'd love to show you how easy it is. The first thing we do is put on a pot of grits. We do this by simply adding some white or yellow grits to boiling water and covering it. While that simmers, we season both sides of some tilapia fillets with our homemade spice blend. And the nice thing about this is that you can vary the level of spiciness depending on how you like it. Now, we sear our fish in a heavy skillet. While they're finishing up, we add some butter, a few seasonings, and a good amount of cheese to our grits. Come dinner time, all that's left to do is spoon up a hearty bowl of cheesy grits and top it with a couple of pieces of our flavor-packed fish. There you have it. To get the recipe for what we call our country-style fish and grits, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a tasty, change of pace kind of way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.